In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase workflow automation using Shopify Flow. This powerful tool enables store owners to automate tasks and processes, significantly boosting efficiency. So let's dive right in and explore how you can set this up. First, you'll want to navigate over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic begins. If you're familiar with Shopify, you'll likely know your way around here. If not, don't worry. Just look for the main navigation menu on the left-hand side after you log in. It's the place where you manage everything about your store. Now, from the dashboard, you're going to move over to the Apps section. This is where we'll find the tools and add-ons that we can install to enhance our store's capabilities. Once you click on Apps, you'll see an option to Add New Apps. Go ahead and click on that button. This will direct you to the Shopify App Store, which is brimming with possibilities for extending your Shopify store's functionality. Once you're in the App Store, you'll spot a search bar right up top. Here, you'll want to type in Workflow. This search is aimed at narrowing down your options so you can find exactly what you need without any hassle. After typing in Workflow, keep an eye out for an app called Shopify Flow. This app is specifically designed to help you automate various parts of your store's operations, saving you both time and effort. When you see Shopify Flow in your search results, go ahead and click on it. At this stage, you'll see a page with all the details related to the app. It's a good idea to spend a few moments reviewing these details. Understanding what the app does and how it might impact your store can be invaluable. You'll find descriptions, screenshots, and user reviews that provide insight into the app's capabilities and how it has benefited others. Once you feel confident that Shopify Flow is the right choice for your store, click on Install. This will initiate the installation process, integrating the app into your store systems. And there you have it. Shopify Flow is now ready to start automating tasks for you. Utilizing Shopify Flow can drastically streamline your store operations by automating repetitive tasks, setting up trigger-based workflows, and improving overall efficiency. So take some time to explore its features and tailor them to meet your store's unique needs. As always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy automating.